What's up, traders? Back
Sup,
for another
gang?
year. Had a pretty big day today. Actually, in the Discord, I called the trade off, but AS held the trade today, so it was a pretty big trade. We called buys around 3063 over here. So, I cut the trade early over here, but, it ended up going up big time. So it's a really, really nice entry. If you look on the H1, almost called the bottom over here.
Yeah,
Caught the falling knife over here with pure precision. So, it went up, rallied up for about
600
$50.
pips. Yeah, crazy. Are you currently in buys?
Apologies, guys, for really big fever right now. But we're going to be doing a stream today, see if we can catch anything.
Yo, je pense, what's your target? What's your range for long right now?
Let me check it out.
Bro, I missed my entry. It was at 3110. No, 31. Yeah, 3110. I missed it.
3110 was your entry?
Yeah, it was Confluence as the 50. Oh my God.
Oh, I see the confluence at 38 with the.
No, 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 no. Dude,
There's
you're
a
on
nice,
the you're on the H4. You're on the H4, bro.
there's a nice confluence here, bro. Double 38.
Nah, you're not. Anyways, let's see what happens.
We have this fib here also. Had a nice rejection here, but we only came down until here. So, I think we can make, our way up now until like here at least, and then gonna have to see how the market reacts over here at this level. This is a pivotal level over here. Or is that FP? So really looking forward to seeing how market.
Yeah.
Oh, it's tough to say, to be honest. There's not much right now, except if we come down until here, I'd probably look for buys over here
Your chart is not showing anymore, brother.
on the stream. Oh, what? So yeah, these are like my three zones over here where if we were to retrace, I'd look for buys here or for sells here maybe.
Be honest, I just want 3110 is my entry, dude. Shit. Missed it.
And now we're just playing in between this, so let's see.
My long-term target for buys is you take this fib over here. Yeah, it's not too sure to be honest. Pretty tricky over here.
Yeah, so what do you
I don't know. It's a bit in a range right now. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, brother. But yeah,
But
this is
I want price to come down to um 3081.
this is a stock I was talking to you about, bro. Nasdaq,
Yeah,
the Canadian one. See, we had a big retracement here, 2022, probably
yeah,
post COVID or COVID times.
yeah.
This is
Crazy, bro.
this is the time, bro. Can't miss this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Go to sleep, my brother.
Yeah, bro. Can't miss this rally here, bro. This pullback.
Yeah.
This one over here. Shit. Yo, man. For sure, I'm gonna look to invest in this, bro.
Yeah, looks solid. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, bro. Yo, this one is having like freaking 20 to 30% return, bro, every year. It's crazy, bro. Look at the 12-month candles. Yo, this is crazy.
Do that fib, the 12-month fib. Yeah, let's wait for the 50 or 3-2 at least.
I would enter the 38 to be
Yeah,
honest.
3-2 same.
I would put
Solid,
like
bro.
an amount here and an amount over here.
Exactly, yeah.
See if we have any MAs. We don't have any MAs. Daily MAs are trading. We have an MA here at the 38 weekly. Let's see on the last rally. We had a small reaction off the weekly, and then eventually we went to the last weekly. So this could be a level here too at the 50. Yeah. Man, look at the crash today, bro.
Yeah, it was nice.
Crazy. So yeah, this is one I'm gonna be looking to buy.
Technically, bro, if you invested last year, talking about last year, you invested last year, you basically gained 0.
Yeah.
It just came back.
Yeah, bro.
It's
That's why a
crazy.
lot of people are pissed, bro. This one I have some, but bro, I just bought it to buy it, bro. I was thinking long term, but it's good, I'm just gonna hold it. But I have some like around here, 150.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
man.
just hold it, bro. It's never gonna come to
Yeah,
0
bro.
anyway.
I'm just gonna hold the stocks, bro. To be honest, stocks is just I just hold them. And that's it.
Yeah. Check it in 30 years.
Yeah, it's not like 10 years, bro. To be honest, 10 years, like, yo, there's someone was showing me this website and this. It was this one, I think, Smart Asset. Look at this here. So let's say you put 10,000. Right? Say every month you put like $200, $250. Let's say.
Yeah.
And let's say no, let's go annually, right? Because
Yeah, annually, yeah.
And let's say annually
250 times 12.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then let's say S&P VFV makes like on average 10%. So we'll go 10% here, and let's say we give it 15 years, 40 around. So it's gonna be worth 121. So when you're 40, you're gonna have 121,000 saved, just if you put 250 every month.
That's crazy.
Compounding is crazy, bro. And bro, there's years where these do like
more than that.
More, yeah, just like 20-30%. So you'll have at least like, and 2020 250 per month is nothing, bro. I mean,
you put per month?
Yeah, I put 250 per month, so that's
no, that's not even. That's less. That's 250.
It's true. I'm tripping, bro.
250. It's times 12. It's 3,000. Yeah.
That's 137, bro. It's crazy.
Yeah, crazy. In 15 years.
Yeah, 10. Let's say 110.
I suppose if you put like say 1K a month.
1K a month. So let's say that's 12,000.
That's 12,000 per year.
Yeah. 1K, let's say.
No, just put keep it like that.
Yeah, but you start with 10K and then you add.
You can do that too. Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's great. Yeah.
17K in VFV, bro. Yo, and there's years where it does like 20-30%, bro. But on average, it does like 10-11%. That's why S&P is really good. But a lot of people in the States, they just put their money in that. It's crazy. But if you're looking at like the HXQ, on average, it does like 15-20%, bro. Let's say you change this for like 15%. Yo, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
1K a month.
We do 30% in FX.
Yeah, bro. More than that.
Yeah. Put 30 just to see.
Hare Krishna, Deepa. How are you?
Hare
Krishna.
You put 30 over here. So let's say 30. Let's say you start with like I don't know. This is different. This is like for stocks, bro, because
Yeah.
the maximum value is 20. But oh yeah, because most stocks don't do like more than 20 or what.
Yeah, I think so.
Anyways, bro, it's pretty crazy. Quarter mil, bro. Just putting a rack every month. Compounding is crazy.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one is coming down a lot, bro, to be honest. I think like it'll probably go if I look at the 3 month, yeah, it's probably gonna go correct. Because this one came to correct. This 3 month also came to the almost came to the 50, came to the 38.2. This one is gonna come down also. I believe to the 50 at least. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. Yo, book ça live, bro. N'est-ce pas?
Quoi,
Acheter.
Airbnb?
Yeah, live, live.
Ouais, je sais, ça le même, hein? Deuxième?
Yeah, yeah. Le deuxième? T'es sûr? Vas-y, bro. I don't mind.
Tu me stream.
Ouais, ici.
Yo, what's his Twitch, Chinny?
Not sure. I'm not sure. Je suis en train de.
Yeah, but what do you think? What do you think happening on Shao?
I see candles in my sleep now. That's all I know.
That's when you know you're a trader, a big time trader.
I saw a bullish engulfing just come out of nowhere from the sky.
It's crazy.
You had a good day today trading.
I pretty much scalped. So yeah, just quick move.
The S&P is down so much this year. Crazy. Yeah, bro. What's up? Let's go. Yo, check this out on S&P. Look at this crash in 2022. Look where it went exactly.
What? Oh yeah, 50. Yeah, crazy.
Bro. Yo, when you see shit like this, you know that everything is controlled, bro.
Even 786, I remember US 30.
On Dow Jones, that was the craziest shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when I realized for real, like
Oh,
everything is manipulated. That shit was crazy. Can't remember where it was. I think it was this maybe. No. Dow Jones is gonna go crazy on this retracement here. Still got a long way to go downside. If we come until here, oh my god, it's gonna be nice. 36,000. Yo, share ta com, si tu veux.
As-tu quoi?
Share ton screen si tu veux.
Ça prend l'aider, bro. Explique.
Let me know si ça fait du bruit ou non. Si t'entends.
Juste marque. Mets sur le truc, le chart, qu'est-ce qu'on attend, bro?
Pardon? T'entends ou
Ouais,
pas?
attends un peu. Put on the chart what we're waiting for. Les buys, sells, tout.
Yes. Là, c'est comme
Mais
ça.
j'entends rien.
Je mets ça sous.
C'est quoi, tu joues la game?
Yeah.
C'est quoi? Ils sont contre qui aujourd'hui?
Boston.
Massachusetts.
Feel me.
Ils vont se faire wipe, bro.
Gotta believe, brother.
Leafs, ils ont clutch in leur spot.
Get. Ils connaissent bien. Yeah, ils ont.
Don't worry, brother. Il y a un mec qui parle de ça au work toujours, bro.
Ah ouais, qui?
Mon superviseur, peut-être. C'est ok. Yo, ce gars-là avait des billets, bro. Je te dis depuis comme des mois.
Je te dis, bon, yo, mais live, les billets sont abusés, bro.
Il a dit.
C'est plein
Allez, check, bro.
Yeah.
J'ai dit 500 good, il a dit il est down.
C'est qui, Sylvain?
Non, pas Sylvain, c'est mon superviseur. C'est le mort.
Yo, live, c'est le playoff run, bro.
Il est bon, on doit aller, lounge. Ah,
Ouais.
bro, ça va être fou. First, ça va être fou.
Yeah, ben, fou.
C'était comme 2021. C'était wild, bro.
Yeah, mais 2021, il n'y avait pas de fans, bro. Everyone was outside.
Yeah,
S'ils
true.
font, bro, s'ils font, on va être à Dubaï.
Ouais,
mais
on va être à Dubaï, yeah. Non, we're gonna be back. We're gonna be back.
Non, pour le round 1, on va être. S'ils font les séries.
Round 1, yeah. Ah, c'est vrai.
On va être en
Mais
neige.
s'ils sont comme last, s'ils vont au final, on va être back, je pense.
Ouais, si ils vont en finale, yeah. Mais je vais checker de là, bro. It's 5 a.m. in the morning.
Putain, bro. Oh my god.
4 a.m. genre, yeah.
Yo, c'est fou, ces mecs. Mais je pense pas là, mais.
Donc, ils sont in live, bro. Si ça commence aujourd'hui, ils sont in.
Yeah, non, mais genre, si mecs, genre, playoff, genre, second round.
Yeah. Parce que s'ils make live, ils jouent contre la meilleure team de la ligue.
Est-ce qu'ils sont Panthers?
Washington.
C'est eux?
Yeah.
Quoi? Les Capitals?
Yeah.
Eh no way.
Yeah, cette année, ils sont premiers, bro.
Usually, c'est comme Thunder ou
Tampa et.
Tampa. Yeah.
Tampa
Attends, non. Eastern, c'est Leafs, bro?
Dans Atlantic, yeah. Mais.
Et Atlantic, yeah. Metropolitan, c'est Capitals.
Yeah.
Oh, vague.
Capitals sont trop forts, bro.
Yo, c'est toujours Leafs et Lightning en premier, bro. Les deux top. Après, les Panthers. Toujours, bro.
Ouais, ça va être fou, bro. Putain.
Yo, Kraken, ils sont poches, bro.
Yeah, ils sont poches.
C'est comme. Depuis qu'ils ont start, ils sont toujours last.
Yo, on a un gars, il s'appelle Lane Hudson. He's a rookie. Puis il est trop fort, bro. C'est un
Il y a quel âge?
Il y a 20. Yo, c'est un franchise player, bro.
Yo,
il y a un de mes boys, il a bet sur lui au début de l'année qu'il va win le Calder, Rookie of the Year. Il a mis $100, puis le return, c'est $5,500. Et il est premier dans les votings.
Crazy.
Yeah, bro. $5,500 sur $100, bro.
C'est wild, bro.
Yeah. Si t'es pour bet sur Canadien Live, $20 pour win la Coupe Stanley, tu fais genre $2,600 de auto.
No way.
Yeah, bro. Juste un petit $20.
Si tu bets sur Thunder, non, je pense pas que Thunder va gagner. Yeah, je pense pas. Je pense pas qu'ils vont gagner.
Non, Tampa est trop fort, bro. Mais
Yo,
je sais pas.
Loki, j'ai vu un Leaf et Habs, bro. Je veux trop ça.
Yeah, bag. Sale,
Ça,
bro.
c'est crazy.
We're not ready yet, bro. Next year, on va être
Yeah,
fou. God willing, on va lounge, bro. Ça serait fou, là.
gros. On va être à, je pense, Mumbai.
Yeah, mais, I mean, une journée, là, lounge, pour les séries, yo.
Yeah, for sure.
10K, 10K per person. Ça va être fou, bro. Je pense que le lounge itself, pour les séries, ça commence à 45 000. Puis c'est 10 personnes.
Pour la saison?
Non,
Ou pour une game?
per one game.
For real?
Yeah, playoff game, bro. For the lounge. C'est 45 000.
C'est a different game.
Yeah, different game, bro.
Marque tes zones. What are you looking for on the chart? Puis, parce que je suis en train de edit, je peux pas check.
C'est quoi la vidéo, tous les?
Hein? Une vidéo que je fais pour dimanche.
Yo, t'as vu ça?
Hein?
Yo, Gab et Aaron.
Offer?
Yeah, c'est up.
Hey, shit.
Tu sais, bro.
Bro's back in the business.
Ben, je sais pas.
Oh, yeah.
Y'a
Un
Aaron,
mille,
bro?
bro?
T'es à combien?
200, toi?
Je suis à 280.
Yeah, what? Y'a dead, bro?
Tu sais, bro. C'est live, bro, ça run.
Bon, y'a pas un temps encore.
Mais ça, I mean, c'est en train d'arriver live, là. C'est arrivé genre.
Yeah.
Mais tu sais, ça va, ça va
Yo, je
run.
pense que c'est comme chaque truc, bro. S'il y a volatility, ça se fait ken.
Ah, yeah,
Instant, bro.
je vais check, je vais garder mon œil sur ça juste aussi. Et là, tu vas voir, ça open et close en genre 2 secondes.
C'est vrai?
Yeah, ça open close en 2 secondes. Bro. C'est tellement quick, yo, c'est fou, bro.
Non, je pense pas, bro, parce que
Je te dis, bro.
c'est comme 40 pips, 30-40 pips, bro.
Je sais pas,
C'est pas comme HTF, non?
le dernier, yeah, I'm not sure to be honest. Le dernier que j'ai vu, bro, c'était tellement quick.
Yo, t'as dit d'aller agro, hein, pour nous deux?
Yeah.
Et il y a dead, frère.
Pour toi, j'ai pas dit, mais il fait le même bail, so.
Yeah.
Tu veux agro?
Hein?
Tu veux agro?
Yeah, the boss, bro.
Vas-y, ben, si on a le même, ça veut dire qu'il fait la même chose. Hein.
T'as quoi, 282.63, right?
Yeah.
Ouais, c'est ça, c'est le même.
Non, 2,78.
Yeah, same shit.
78, yeah. Let's see, bro.
Il y a dead.
Merde, putain. Yo, gars. Yeah, dead.
Quoi?
Non, rien. Yeah, exit. Oh, merde.
Il y a beaucoup ça live, vous?
Deixa eu ça.
Bah,
Ça après la game. See if we can get some volume to kick in. Are we gonna get a dead session? Are we gonna get some volume? Let's see. But if we shoot up above here and have some kind of bearish reaction, I'm gonna look for sells. It's tough to say, to be honest. Like, I don't want to enter something that I'm gonna hold for a long time because tomorrow we have NFP. So I might just scalp something.
salat. Tumak, salat.
Abe, t'es mon fils. How about that? Welcome to the stream, my brother.
You saw, bro?
Oh boy, my little bro.
Ah, one otra sub. Youngin.
The next
Youngin
big
in the
trader,
house.
the next big trader is Sean Malhotra.
Yes, sir.
C'est pas en train de bouger, non?
What do you say? I didn't even hear you.
I like that.
What do you say?
No,
Since
see, it's ranging.
Ah, j'ai dit, ça bouge pas.
I like that.
Moi, je vais aller dormir maintenant.
Yo, for real. Hella slow today.
Yeah.
Probably gonna call it a stream around 9 today. It's not much going on. What do you think is gonna happen tomorrow during NFP? Yo, I see this daily shooting down over here, and I'm really thinking that if we shoot down a lot, I don't see us flipping back up to break, like to shoot higher. I think we're gonna go for a deeper correction, maybe.
You guys, you want to hear something interesting? So basically, I'm doing on a research, right, on male behavior. So it's
Mhm.
like related to like genetics and like, how it has changed over the years and everything. So they're relating this, like, I don't know how the water system is in Canada, but this is a study based on the UK. And what they have found, like, there is a huge number of frogs that, like, there's basically a huge number of female frogs all of a sudden. And we wanted to investigate why is that the case, right?
Mhm.
So, based on like the sewage system and like how the water is, right? So it gets recycled. So whatever we flush down the toilet, eventually that comes back up through the taps, right?
Yeah.
So basically, in a sense, what happened is, how there is a really, really big amount of women that are put on the pill, right?
Mhm.
So that is flushed through the toilet and that ends up on the sewage system. And that, so in a sense, what happened? They are turning male frogs into females. So similarly, what's happening is there is a heavy amount of estrogen that is being flushed down, and males, like people that do drink from the tap, they're consuming it. And
Yeah.
that, in a sense, was happening, like males thinking in a certain way, or like feeling in a certain type of way. And that's what's like the whole decline in whole, like male and alpha energy, that type of
Really.
That's why the transgenders are coming, you know?
Nice. That's crazy.
but yeah.
Wow, bro.
That's a nice research. Do you think it's true?
Some
It's
nice
real?
research.
Yeah, there's a heavy,
Yeah,
even like
interesting.
we tested the water from different parts of the UK, and like the more up north that you go, like places like Scotland and everything, they have a whole different sewage system. So that's what,
Mhm.
like, people over there, like in the mountains, like the males, they're like taller, more muscular and all of that. But when you come down to the UK, like they, even their height has declined, voice, the deepness of the voice, hair, they're more bold, because like it's
That's
the
crazy. That's
it's
so interesting.
That's pretty interesting. Yeah.
yeah.
That's nice.
There's a
I
lot.
think in
There's a lot
Canada we were
going
pretty
on.
good with that sewage
Yeah.
system.
I don't drink tap.
We drink tap
Yeah,
water
don't
all the
drink
time
tap
here.
water, guys.
I only drink bottled water.
Sad.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
But do you filter out your tap water? I don't.
Yeah.
I drink raw. I don't. I never filter out my tap water.
Why would you do that? There's like even like forget about all this nasty thingy. There's like chlorine. There's so many things like they used to treat the water.
Yeah, but I think I've gotten immune to it.
Yeah, I don't believe in that. There's no
Yeah.
such thing as being immune to it.
Like I
Your
drank the
liver ask your
water
tell your
in
liver
Belgium. It
station
was
with it.
disgusting. That was disgusting. I had to filter that shit in Belgium.
Yeah. Have you been to Belgium?
Yeah, I went for Raladesh like in 2022.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah. I've been.
But you know, I feel like they kind of ruined Rathadesh now because
Yeah, no.
they changed the whole.
Yeah, no, it's a is it you were there last year, right? I mean
Yeah,
this year.
this year.
Was the room bigger or smaller?
It's you know what? It's bigger, but it's such a weird shape. It's like two
L
sides,
shape, right?
like in a corner. They all say in the corner, and it divides into two.
Right,
So
right. It's like an L shape, right? I saw.
yeah, like an arrow L shape. But
Yeah.
you know, because I feel like people thrive more under like um, like they value them more in the small hole.
Right,
Now
that's true.
there's people talking on the back. There's like so many things going on. I just prefer it. The whole rather dish vibe, like I feel like it kind of got ruined.
Mm. But there were a lot of people this year?
Yeah, hell a lot of
Oh yeah?
people because like there's more like space.
I see, I see. Damn, bro. The year I went was crazy.
Yeah,
You can't find place to sit.
but that I feel like that's the best part. Then like
You like that part?
yeah, because then you value it more, being like, oh shit, I need to get in there, and
That's
then
true, that's true.
it's the part like if you like everyone stands up and sits, like you can literally like you sit on people's lap, like that's what
Yeah, I feel
space.
yeah. Was it your first year going?
Huh?
Was it your first year?
No. We started going like every year since like 2016.
Okay, so you were probably there when I was there then,
Yeah.
2022.
You stayed at the Sun class?
The sun class, what is that? I stayed where those little houses they have, like the
Yeah. That's
shuttles, you know?
Jardin Derby. Yeah.
Exactly, yeah, that's where I stayed.
Yeah. That's nice though, right? Do you
Yeah,
like?
it's nice. Yeah, it's modern and nice. It's clean. It's
Yeah.
nice. Yeah.
People are going in like retreat with Radhanath Swami. Like I think next week or so.
In Bangladesh?
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah.
Wait, when you went, have you seen like the big Mahaprabhu's statue? It was on the outside. Now they put it at the top. They changed the whole layout and everything.
The big Mahaprabhu style. No, I didn't see that. No.
Now they put it like they have this place, this little place outside the castle on the top.
Okay.
So they, how they've done in the Chandravada Mandir, like the two Gornitai welcoming you basically the 2 days.
Okay, yeah, I see. Okay,
So
okay,
it's
yeah.
like that.
Okay. I thought that hall was supposed to be like a prasadam hall or something.
Yeah, like they're still doing a lot of work. It's still like very raw. Even the outside of this year, like it's still like very and it's on the underground, so it gets like really cold.
It's
And
underground.
yeah, in the sense like it's on the 0th floor.
Okay, yeah, I get you, yeah.
Yeah. And there's no window, so that's why like every like once a while like the Kitunians is like, can we please open the windows? Can we please open the windows?
Yeah, I went once and then I think I got my dose. I think you can experience it better online on YouTube. Same thing for Kirtan Ras. It's become
Really?
too many people now. I feel like the year I went was like
Mm.
peak. That was like the maximum. After it just
Every
started
year it
declining.
gets more and more. Literally,
Yeah,
every year it gets more and more. Even with this whole, like, on Sunday, like
yeah.
everyone, because everyone from Europe just drives in it. Like
Hmm.
from Germany, Switzerland, everyone just comes down. Italy,
Hmm. Yeah,
but Loki, I just go there every for for the croissant, pain au chocolat, all of that.
yeah.
So, they bust on a different level.
You guys fly there, right?
Huh?
You fly there?
What?
You fly there to Belgium?
No, 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 no. We take the Eurostar. It's only like an hour and a half.
No way, from London?
Yeah, like 1 hour
Well,
50 minutes.
holy, that's nothing. I forgot how small Europe is.
Yeah.
Damn.
But this year we had like 5, 6 cars. We went together,
Hmm.
but it's pretty much like the same time as like what it takes to go to like Scotland, like 5, 6
Hmm.
hours. Because we have Le Chateau, so in there it's just like 40 minutes underground, and then we're there in Calais, and from Calais is like 3 hours.
That's sick. Everything is so far in Canada. Toronto's like 6 hours for us.
Shit,
Yeah.
man.
AM Banks. I'm gonna bring you to these festivals one day. Don't worry, brother.
He's missing out. He's missing out.
Yeah, brother. One day.
Good entry, huh?
Yeah, I think you're done, bro. I'm gonna be calling it a stream here in like 15 minutes. Even if, let's say, we get a push around 9:15, by the time we have confirmation and everything, it's gonna be late. So, plus, I'm not seeing anything big happening. Like I said, for tomorrow, everything's gonna depend on NFP.
Je pense que je vais mettre un limite à 3082. I'll hold it for like 200 pips maybe until NFP.
Yeah, it's a good level, honestly.
Yeah. I'll call it in the Discord if ever.
Yeah, 50 confluence, you see.
Who's that? Oh, yes. I didn't even see that.
Yeah, 50. There's
Yeah, I'm probably gonna call it.
23 also. Oh, this is a nice level.
Oh, yeah, my idea is the 23.
Shit.
Essentially.
H4MA also.
Yeah.
This is a level type, bro. 3080.
Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna set a limit and yeah, hold it till NFP. Hopefully it hits during a London session. I think so. Hopefully.
Yeah, I can't stream enough, bro. I sleep. Yeah, we're gonna have more clarity next week for sure. Every time NFP clears up, we have more clarity in the market. So tomorrow we have NFP. We have PMI also. Wait, what? Oh, PMI was today. Tomorrow we have NFP and unemployment rate. And next week, okay, we have CPI next Thursday, but there's not as much data next week. So yeah, next week is going to be a nice week. But I'm down to snipe this level over here for sure. Like 3080, we can set a limit.
Yeah. So
Probably just gonna play in the range, so it might come down to this 236 right over here. I don't know if we should set a limit or wait for some confirm over here. I would target this here. Si genre 200 pips, you know? Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Il y a des messages tellement bizarres, bro.
De quoi?
Attends, esprit là.
Non, sur IG?
Yeah, my brother.
Yeah, not much going on right now.
Ambax got the VIX. C'est quoi ça, VIX?
VIX,
Oh, the VIX, my brother. Yeah, my brother.
the VIX, brother.
VIX. Yeah.
Ah ben, pas Wix, Loru. VIX.
VIX, I know. BAM.
You know what it is? It's not bomb, bro.
Yeah, bro, BAM. It's
Bomb?
BAM.
Bomb?
Yeah.
That was bomb.
BAM. Shubham, tell him what BAM is.
VIX bomb, okay, VIX bomb.
Stupid.
Yo, this thing is a lifesaver, bro.
Yo, take it and put it inside your nose. And
Yeah.
on your throat over here.
Yeah,
Put
I
it
did.
inside. Put it inside.
I did, bro. But sometimes I just like to smell it, bro.
Nah, bro.
Put
You
it
have to
in
take
water.
it in.
Yeah, water vapor is better. It's gonna all melt away.
What, water vape?
Yeah, you take warm water, put one tablespoon of the Vicks, and then you cover your head and breathe it in. You'll see, like, in 5 minutes,
Steam.
everything's gonna come out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's just
It's a sauna.
vape steam.
Kind of like a sauna, no?
No, it's a steam.
Steam. Yeah.
Shove it down your nose, brother. Take it.
It's gonna burn you, setting you up.
Yeah, I need to buy more, bro. When we go to India.
What is it called? Amritanjan. That's one. That one's strong. The green bottle one.
Amit Anjan?
Yeah, I think.
Green. Is Banks, I like your Instagram, bro. Yeah, but
Thank you, my brother. How'd you find it? Yeah, man, trying to spread positivity,
Yeah, my brother. Found it from AM Banks Insta. It's usually the other way around, brother.
Speak.
You can explain, Lulu.
Oh, you found it from Ian Baxter.
Say
Nice.
it's usually the other way around. I'm a low-key guy, brother. My brother's a star.
Nah, brother, you're the star.
Yo, what's this guy's Instagram? Twitch, bro. I gotta shout him out, bro.
Oh,
Chini.
just go on this on Discord. What's it called?
I got it.
Which?
I got it. Let's go support him. What is this shit? What's he doing, bro? No.
Yeah, Radicap, GRP, yeah. Let me know, my brother, if you like the beat.
No. Dog, Chini.
Yeah, shout out my dog, for real. If you like the thing, follow, man. Make sure you follow. Shout out my dogs watching, man. Doing the most. You feel me?
Gang, my
Let
brother.
me know whatever you like, whatever you don't like, you know.
You lot are all sick then. Is there like a virus going on?
These guys are
What's
sick.
going
I'm chilling.
on?
Knock on wood. Knock on wood.
Thank God it's coming at least before the vacation, bro. Alright, my brother. Gotta let him go. Dead volume, bro. What is this shit? Anyways, we're gonna be calling it a stream here, and we'll be sending in the Discord channel if there's any setups.
Entries.
Like we said, we can probably have a setup over here at 3080 around this area. You know, we have multiple confluences. We have our 50, 23. We have our H4MA. 3080 is the psychological level. Also, the fact that, you know, we don't expect it to break out of the range. I expect it to play in this range over here, between here and here for NFP. So, you know, what you can do is that if it price comes over here, you can kind of play the range all the way until, you know, here or here. And that's like a 200 pip range, I believe. Yeah, 220 pip range. If you hold till here, it's like 460 pip range. So, gotta play your ranges until NFP. Yeah, we'll be sending that in the Discord channel. But thanks for watching, guys, and take care.
All right, bye, guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.